What's up, guys? How are you doing today? Today you guys are going to make me. My name is Mr. Brand. Say hello, Mr. Brand. Okay, whatever. So today we're making a puppet. So it's gonna be easy, and in the end it's gonna be difficult. So the materials, you need a pencil or pen and tape, notebook, and scissors. I'm just gonna rip a page from the notebook, so yeah. I'm just rip it off. One page. Put it up there. And if you don't get it, guys, if it's like messed up, just restart the whole video if you want to. I don't think you guys will do this, but so first thing you need to make a big square for the body. Okay, that's a big thing. Okay. Now I need to make the neck for the neck. My house is really loud. Alright, after that, you just have to do this. I don't think I'm good at the tie. And so I'm doing the tie. Okay, I think I'm good now since I just did it. Okay, now we're gonna move on to the legs. Okay. If you want the legs to be normal, let's do it. Okay, now we have to move on to the feet. Okay, I'm sure you guys can copy it. Pause the video and copy it. Okay. We're gonna move on to the hands. Now it's to the hands. He's just saying hi to you guys. Okay, now moving on. Now we're just going to color it in, and let's just color it in. So I'm going to see if I have any colors. If I have no colors, I'm just not going to color it in. And yeah, I'm going to find them, and let's see does it work, okay? Alright guys, so I guess I have no color, but I left out my school backpack, my desk. So, okay, I did it. So now the next thing is cut it. We had to cut it out with the scissor. And then we had to make the puppet. Let's just move on to the body first. Making a body with I saw these videos, and I know how to do it, so I'm making a video by myself. I need to be careful with the tongue. Oh my goodness, this is a hard work. See, I told you guys, this is gonna be hard. Yeah. Okay. Be careful with the arm. Okay, so we're almost done. We just need to cut the hand and everything else that we have in the drawing. Now we need to cut out the wow. This is super easy to cut. Okay, I think we're done. Finished up? I don't know what this is, so we're just gonna leave it. Okay, now, next up, we just how to make the head just like this. I already made the body, so I just want to make yours fat circle. So yeah. And I need a piece of paper. I think this is gonna be difficult, guys. First step, you gotta fold the paper and give a little bit crease out. Gotta give it a little crease. And then after when you give it a crease, you just had to, you see this? You had to put this like there. Like this. And the other side. That we just did on the first side. Okay. Oh, and then if you did it, we just had to fold it over this one over there. We're done, almost. This is the finished setup. Okay, now we have to put this middle thing over there. Okay, now we need to do the other side. Okay, now we have folded there and there. And you're done. Okay, the next thing you have to decorate it. So I'm going to decorate it. I'm adding hair. Now we're going to do the teeth. Like this. If you want to copy me, you can. Make the teeth like this. And now we have to add these. Okay, let me just quickly do it. Okay, now you have to add these. And you can add a tongue in the middle. If you want to. Okay, now we're going to add the up teeth like here. That we did right in the under one. Okay, and now we need to do the lines. And now we had to make this thing over there. We had to add it right there. Like this. Okay, I think this is done. Okay, so now we had to attach it to the sticker, to this thing. And I feel like it's too big, but it's not big. So now I'm just gonna add this here. So it doesn't fall. So let me start this. Okay, now we had to get your tape and now find it. This is clear tape, so it's hard to find. And yeah, okay, I think I found it quickly or something. Okay, I found it. Wait. Okay, I need to find this, guys, and hurry it up. Oh my God, there's house noise in my house. Okay, so now you have to take the tape. Now attach it. Now attach right there, and just attach over there. Now we have to attach it here. We're still not done, guys. We're still not done. Now we just have to do this. Okay, we're done, guys. Now we have to find these little things right here, and then put your thing over there, and put put the other side over here. Make 3 fingers. And boom. Hello, how are you today? I'm good. How are you? Bad. Alright guys, so bye. And if you want to make another one, just restart the whole video. Bye.